In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable phone number validation for end users in Zendesk support. This is a useful feature tweak for those of you who want to streamline the process for your customers or perhaps have encountered issues with the E164 format constraints. First, let's navigate to the Zendesk Admin Center. This is the hub where you'll make all the necessary adjustments. Once you're there, direct your attention to the People section. You'll find this under Configuration. This is the area where you tailor user settings to suit your organization's needs. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this section if you want to effectively manage the roles and permissions within your Zendesk ecosystem. Next, look for the tab or section labeled End Users. This is a critical component because it holds the key to the settings that specifically impact your end user's experience. By customizing these settings, you can alleviate unnecessary challenges that your customers face, such as strict phone number formatting issues. Now, it's time to find the setting relating to phone number validation. Your mission here is to locate the option labeled something along the lines of validating phone numbers. This particular setting governs whether phone numbers entered into your system are compelled to align with a specific international format known as E164. For those unfamiliar, E164 is a numbering plan recommendation from the International Telecommunication Union. It's a standard many organizations adhere to for uniformity and reliability in telecommunication, but it can sometimes impose limitations if your customer base doesn't strictly follow this format. Once you have found the option, go ahead and uncheck or clear this setting. What you're doing here is instructing Zendesk's system to relax its requirements, allowing your users' phone numbers to be entered in any format they prefer or are accustomed to, thereby bypassing the constraints of the E164 format. Finally, and this is crucial, don't forget to save your changes. This action solidifies the adjustments you've made and ensures they are implemented. Saving your changes is the last yet vital step that confirms everything you've configured is successfully applied to your Zendesk support settings. And there you have it. You've just disabled phone number validation for end users in Zendesk support. By following these steps, you've made it simpler for your customers to input their phone numbers without being encumbered by specific formatting requirements. This modification can contribute to a smoother, more user-friendly experience and reduce potential obstacles in customer interactions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that help you get the most out of your Zendesk system.